Everybody, Noble International Realty here. We are actually at Vida's Way. Going to be checking out a couple of model homes. These homes are starting from the mid 300s and go all the way up to about $700,000 base price. That excludes the premium lot fee. One thing I could say is that these are beautiful, well-crafted homes by Pulte Homes. They've done a great job in crafting multiple model homes out here for availability. As you can see, the community is incredibly fresh. All brand new constructions available. Beautiful weather, beautiful sunsets, beautiful skies daily. Now you can give us a call at 813-422-3048 or email us at engage@noblintl.com, which is engage@nobleinternational.com. We'll be happy to answer all inquiries, any questions you may have. We'll give you the best possible advice, help you throughout your entire home buying experience, as well as if you're interested in new constructions, we can work with you to offer you special incentives that we're offering in addition to what the builders are offering. So currently right now the builders are offering about $15,000. On top of that, we will also give you a special incentive if you so happily choose to go with us as your realtor. This one is called the Coral Grand. As you can see, they're very actively building a lot of homes out here. So come get yours while you can. Now, one thing that you will get standard is these pavers. These will be actually on your driveway, as well as the garage door comes standard. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Wow. So as you can see here, we have an open loft concept right in the foyer. Beautiful entryway. Looks like we have a guest suite on the side over here. Nice sized bedroom. Beautifully decorated with a full bath and additional storage space. Walking up, you will have the office to the left. Beautiful shelving here and shiplapping in the back. Beautiful workspace. And to the right of that, we are going to have our laundry unit, as well as an additional mudroom. Nice size laundry. And this will be the storage under the staircase. I believe this is garage space. Yep. Decent sized garage. As we head into the living room, you'll notice as it opens up a little bit, we have a lot of windows allowing in for a lot of natural light to come in. Beautifully decorated kitchen. Nice sized living room. As you can see, they have a lot of seating here. We kick it off with an introduction to your construction manager, who will be your main point of contact to lead you through the build quality experience. Every construction manager is an experienced and trained residential home construction professional who will keep you informed throughout the doors. Here's the dining niche, as well as two sliding glass doors to exit. So we can go ahead and check that out. A nice little lovely lanai with a pool. Nice backyard. Charming. Now as we step back in, let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom. Lovely window to look out into your pool and backyard. Coming into the bathroom, we have an exceptionally large shower. Closet space. Now let's make our way upstairs, where we will most likely find loft space and additional bedrooms. Immediate reaction is that this is a beautiful loft. Very big, very, very generous for entertaining, having people over. I mean, you name it. You could definitely see football Sundays happening up here. Here's just another angle. Guys, one thing that I can say is that this allows for a lot of natural light to come in. I mean, this looks beautiful during the daytime. No lights need to be left on during the daytime. And this is the view down below to the foyer and entry. And lastly, we have 2 flanking rooms along with a full bathroom right there. Perfect for the kids. And that is it for the quick tour of the Coral Grand featured by Vida's Way. Guys, if you're interested in any new construction or any pre-existing homes out here in Tampa, Florida, or Florida in general, please feel free to contact us at nobleinternational.com, 813-422-3048. Give us a like, subscribe, check out the rest of our content. Let us know, comment below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.